Good morning, dear students. I hope you all well there. As you know that the rational number chapter is going on. So, and also you know that we have discussed the rational number properties, definitions, types of rational number, that is positive, negative, and equivalent fractions, and how to find the rational number between two given rational number. Okay. So now let us move on to the exercise solutions of the exercises. Exercise 9.1. Okay. Question number first. List 5 rational number between. List 5 rational number between. First part, that is -1 and 0. So look at how to solve this question. As earlier discussion in the examples in the earlier video, what we have done in the previous class. Okay, according to that one we will follow the same procedure. Okay, right. So let us start the solution of this question. Firstly, you have to convert these numbers in fractional form. You will write down this one -1 upon 1 and 0 upon 1. Then the next step is that whatever the number of rational we need to find, between these numbers, we have to take, just suppose we are trying to find 5 rational numbers, so we have to multiply and divide both the numbers which we will get, this one and this one, by its successor, that will be 6. So -1 upon 1 into 6 upon 6 and 0 upon 1 into 6 upon 6. Then you will get the things that is -6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6. So now you will easily found that the number of rational number between these numbers, -6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6, that is -5 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -2 upon 6, and -1 upon 6. It will lie between -6 upon 6 to 0 upon 6. And you also know that this one will be written as -1 as it was given, and this will be written as, that is 0. So simply means these numbers will lie between the numbers which are given in the question, that is -1 and 0. Similarly, you will solve question number second. I hope question number first is clear. Question first part. Let us move on to the second part, that is -2 and -1. So here we have to find also 5 rational number. So firstly make in fractional rational number form. So -2 upon 1 and -1 upon 1. Now we need to find 5 rational numbers. So you know that the process, -2 upon 1 upon, we have to multiply by 6. So -1 upon 1 into 6 upon 6, right? So you will get -12 upon 6 and -6 upon 6. So simply now you will get between these numbers, what are the numbers we will write? That is -11 upon 6, -10 upon 6, -9 upon 6, -8 upon 6, -7 upon 6. So these are the numbers which definitely lies between this number and this number. So these means simply -6 upon 6, and this one greater than -12 upon 6. So this number will be actually -2, and this number will be actually -1. So this is actually our question. So you will write -6 upon 6 at last step, -1, minus 12 upon 6, you will write minus 2 in the last step. Okay, so this way you will get the numbers between these, means whatever the numbers we need to find, 10, 20, 100, thousands, you will do the same method. Firstly, you have to make the denominators will be same, then whatever the number of रेशनल नंबर we need to find, जितनी रेशनल नंबर्स आपको निकालनी है उसके सक्सीजर से आप क्या करो, दिए हुए नंबर्स में मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करवा दो. So you know that if you will multiply any common number in any number, that the number doesn't make it any difference, it will be the same. Means minus 2 is equals to minus 2 upon 1 is equals to minus 2 upon 1 into 6 upon 6. Each and everything will be equal. Okay, so third part will be minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. Now in this question, firstly we have to make the DRs will be same. So what is the process to make the DRs will same? You know very well, the denominators of the DRs of first number will multiply to the second number, and divide also, and this one means second denominator will multiply to the first number. So simply 3 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3 multiply by 5 and divide by 5. This one is 5. Okay, so minus 12 upon 15 and minus 10 upon 15. Okay, this implies that now how to find 5 rational number. So actually we are not getting 5 rational number, so you will multiply by given number by 6 upon 6 and minus 10 upon 15 into 6 upon 6. After getting the DRs will same, you have to multiply the numbers, which number, the successor of the numbers, that number of rational number we need to find between these numbers. यानी कि जितनी रेशनल नंबर निकालनी है उसके सक्सीजर से क्या करोगे आप, after obtaining the DRs will same numbers, multiply that numbers and divide that, then you will get the easily that minus, that will be 72 upon 15, 6 और 90. means आप 6 upon 6 से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमें 5 निकालनी है, तो उसके सक्सीजर से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई. So here you will get minus 60 upon 15, 6 and 90. Now you will easily get the numbers. So what are the numbers between these? That is minus 61 upon 90, minus 62 upon 90, minus 63 upon 90, minus 64 upon 90, minus 65 upon 90. So we only require these 5 to write 5. Otherwise, if the more numbers will require, you will write more numbers also. That means minus 66 upon 90, minus 67 upon 90. So these numbers will lie between the given numbers. Which one? This one and this one. So at last you will write the answer in this form. The answer will be right in this form. Firstly, you have to check which number is bigger. So 4 upon 5, that will be gives you, here you will check that this number is bigger. Okay, so minus 10 upon 15 will be here, and minus 12 upon 15 will be here. Okay, so in these you will write between 61 upon 90, minus 62 upon 90, minus 63 upon 90, minus 64 upon 90, and minus 65 upon 90. These numbers will definitely lie between this one and this one. So this one will be written as now minus 4 upon 5, and this number will be written as minus 2 upon 3. So in these numbers at last you will write the same thing. Then you will get the answers. Otherwise, if you will complete up to here, that's no problem, you will get the full marks. Similarly, you will solve fourth question yourself. The 3 question I solve, 1 question to yourself. Okay. Question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. So let us write the question firstly. Minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, minus 12 upon 20, means we need to write next 4. Okay. So how to find these things? Next 4 rational numbers, okay, in the following pattern. So we have to observe the pattern firstly, then we will write the next 4 rational numbers, right? So look, in the numerator, the difference is 3. In the denominator, difference is 5. Means everywhere the difference in the numerator will be different. So we have to follow the same pattern. So here you will get minus this 3, 6, 9. That will next number will be minus 15, and here will be 25. After 20, 25. Here will be 18, and here will be 30. Because you know the difference, please check the difference is that in the numerator 3, in the denominator 5, right? So this is minus 21, this is 35, this is minus 24 and 40. This way you will write the next 4 rational numbers. These are the next 4 rational numbers for our answers. Similarly, for second part, that is 1 upon minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 12. Now next 4 numbers. So look, the difference in the numerator, well, that will be 1. So that is minus 4. Mean next number will be minus 4, and 4, 8, 12. That will be next number will be 16. Here minus 5, 20, minus 6, 24, minus 7 gives you 28. So these are the next 4 rational number for the given pattern in the second part. Okay. Now third part, minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon minus 12, 3 upon minus 18, 4 upon minus 24. First thing, we need to find next 4. Before finding the 4, look at the minus sign will be in the numerator. So you will make this number in this way, 1 upon minus 6, because you know that as I told in the discussions, minus 1 upon 6 is also written as 1 upon minus 6. Both are same thing. This one in standard form, this one not in standard form, but the value of the both the numbers will be same, right? So now we will take this one. So look, here will be difference will be 1, so there will be 5, in difference will be 6. Okay, so 6 difference will be going on, don't worry, but there with negative sign. 6 upon 36, 7 upon 42, 8 upon 48. This way you will find the next 4 rational number, right? Okay, so next concept, that is question number, or next question you can see, question number 3rd. Give 4 rational number equivalent to, means third first part we have to find the equivalent rational number. So minus 2 upon 7. How to find the equivalent rational number? As in previous video we have discussed, to find the equivalent rational number, so we have to multiply or divide by a common number except 1. Okay, to get the equivalent rational number of the given numbers, we have to multiply or divide by a common number. Okay, then we will get the equivalent rational number. But if you will multiply ratio, why I'm telling except 1? If you will multiply by 1, there's nothing different. That's why I'm telling you 1 को छोड़कर हम बाकी numbers से multiply करेंगे. Or talking about integers, you can say positive integers. Okay, so let us firstly write multiply by 2. You will get minus 4 upon 14. Minus 2 upon 7 is multiplied by 3 and divide by 3, you will get minus 6 upon 21. Minus 2 upon 7 is multiplied by 4 upon 4, minus 8 upon 28. Minus 2 upon 7 is multiplied by 5 upon 5, that is minus 10 upon 35. Minus 2 upon 7 into 6 upon 6, you will multiply by you will get minus 12 upon 7, 6 are 42. So I think 4 we have to find. I have found it out 5. So you will write any 4. Similarly, in the second part, 5 upon minus 3, you will multiply by 2, you will get 10 upon minus 6, right? 5 upon minus 3 is multiplied by 3 and divide by 3, you will get 15 upon minus 9. 5 upon minus 3 is multiplied by 4 upon 4, you will get 20 upon minus 12. 5 upon minus 3 is multiplied by 5 upon 5 is given by 25 upon minus 15. So these are the 4 equivalent rational number of 5 upon minus 3. These are the equivalent rational numbers of minus 2 upon 7. Now third part you will do yourself. Question number 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational number on it. Very good. So first part, that is 3 upon 4. Okay. So we have to draw this number in number line. So how to draw a number line? Firstly, let me explain. Draw a number line. Everyone know that number line draw will in this way. Okay. So firstly, you have to fix firstly you have to look the numbers positive or negative. If the positive will be there, then where it means put down, fix the 0 somewhere. Okay, but before okay, fix 0, that is okay. Fix 0, this one. Now write the parts of this line, number line, you can say, up to at least that part which numbers will be written in denominator. यानी कि सिंपल सी जितने आपका डिनोमिनेटर्स में लिखा हुआ है 4 जैसे, इस नंबर लाइन को कम से कम आपको 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दो, राइट? सो ओके, सो 1, this is 1 part, this is 2 part, and make sure the parts will be equal. I am taking approximately they are equal, but not exactly, because I am taking the approximate distance from 0 to 1, 1 to 2. But if you will draw in notebooks, you have to measure with the scale. Okay, the 4 is there, so I have divided the number line into 4 equal parts, right? Now we have to represent this number. So out of 4, 3 upon 4. So if you will write this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Means before going to this one, before representing to this one, we need to find that it is less than 1 or greater than 1. Means simple concept is that of the representation of the rational number in the number line. Firstly, you have to find the decimal representation of the given number. Then it will give you clear area clear idea in which numbers, between which numbers it will lie. Okay, so 3 upon 4 is there. So definitely if you will divide this number, so you will get something, because table is not gone, so you will type 0 and decimal point will be here. 7 4s are 28. So 2 is there. That definitely it will be less than 1. Okay. So less than 1 now. So this one is actually not a necessary. You can remove these parts, or I will make the new number line. That will be okay to you for understanding, right? Let us draw number line. Then mark the points, and 0 is important. Now you know that it will lie between 0 and 1 because it is less than 1. So you will firstly find that between which number. This is the first step, not divide the number line segment directly by 4 segments. This is the first step. Firstly, you have to decide that between which two numbers it will lie after converting the decimal. Or if this, because this is your proper, right? If you will see, definitely if the proper rational number will be there, or proper, as you have done in the fraction chapter, proper fraction, improper fraction. So you can say this one is proper rational number. Okay. If the numbers is proper, then definitely it will always lie between 0 and 1. Okay. But if it will be improper, improper means the numerator will be more than the denominator, right? If this thing will be happen, then you have to change at least this one. Suppose 7 upon 3 is given, so you have to change the improper fraction, improper rational number into mixed, that is 2 whole 1 upon 3. This is the representation of in the form of mixed fraction. Now it is clear that if this number will lie between 2 and 3, because 2 whole 1 upon 3 means definitely it will be more than 2 but less than 3, because this fixed, this told us, or this explains, or this tells us that between which two number, or after which number it will lie and before which number it will false. So 2 और 3 के बीच में नंबर लाई होगा, क्योंकि 2 से बड़ा है लेकिन 3 से छोटा है ना? So you have to firstly, we have to focus on the numbers which will lie between, like in this way, 0 and 1 or more than 1. So you have to focus on proper or improper. Now it is clear this number lies between 0 and 1. Now you will divide that interval into 4 parts, whichever numbers written over there. So in equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one is 4 parts, right? Now this one will be written as 1 upon 4. This one will be written as 2 upon 4. This one will be written as 3 upon 4, and this one will be written as 4 upon 4. Simply 1, right? So now we have to represent this one. So now you will mark this points as box, or you will make the rectangular box here in this way. So this is the representation of rational number in number line. Similarly, if we will find solve for second part, minus 5.8. Okay, so it is clear it will rise to the left of 0 because it is negative, right? So let us write the number line. So 0 will, you will write here. Now it is, if you will see this one, don't worry about minus sign. Minus sign told only inform us it will rise to left or right. So it will definitely left to left of 0. And now this one is your proper. So it will definitely lie between minus 1 comma 0. So minus 1 take here. Okay, now divide the 0 and minus 1 interval into 8 equal parts. How many parts? 8 equal parts, right? Okay. So this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are there. So now you will represent this one, this, or you can say this is minus 1 upon 8. This is minus 2 upon 8. This is minus 3 upon 8, because you know that from 0 that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. And this indicates that this is the indicating points, that third part of the total eighth part. मतलब 8th पार्ट का 8 पार्ट्स में, 8 पार्ट्स में से ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? थर्ड पार्ट को। यानी कि 0 से 1 -1 के बीच में कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड इंटरवल? 8 पार्ट्स में। और ये किस पार्ट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? दैट विल बी थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंटरवल 0, -1. ओके, so this one gives you -4 upon 8. This gives you -5 upon 8. This gives you -6 upon 8. This gives you -7 upon 8. And if you will write this one, that will gives you -8 upon 8 simply. So we have to focus on only this number. Okay, so you have to make a rectangle, or only if you will make a circle, that will be also okay. Okay, or so this is your representation of second rational number in number line, right? Similarly, if I'm talking of third part, that is seventh one, that is -7 upon 4. Now if you will see the number, that will be definitely it will left to the 0. Okay, definitely it will left to the 0 because of this minus sign. But if you will see this number, this is improper. So if you will write this now, 1 whole 3 upon 4, you will write in this way, right? This rational number. So 4 ones are 4, 3 7 upon 4 simply. So that means it will lies between -1 upon -1 and -2, because it will more than -1, sorry, less than -1, because minus sign is there. So whatever the number which coming in this sign, it will be less than 1, not more than -1, right? So now after this, okay, because this from here to here, that is -1, sorry, and we have to divide now -1 to -2, that is 4 parts. Okay, so that is 1, that is 2, that is 3 and 4. Okay, so this one gives you -1 whole 1 upon 4. This one gives you -1 whole 2 upon 4. Okay, and this one gives you -1 whole 3 upon 4, and this one gives you -1 whole 4 upon 4. So simply this will becomes h -2. You know that how to do. If you don't know, no problem. -1 4 upon 4. If you will simplify -1, and you know that this one and this one will be added, 4 upon 4, that will be 1. So -2 will be there, right? So this way you will get -2. So okay, that was not our key points. Our key points is this part. This gives you that is this point, that is -7 upon 4. -7 upon. Okay, so now this one will be represented as -7 upon 4, or you can simply this one, right? So this way the question number third part of fourth question will be also clear. Similarly, fourth part will be there, that is 7 upon 8. So similarly you will draw a number line, and you know that this number will lie between in positive direction, because there is no negative sign. So 0, and it is proper, so it will lie between 0 and 1. Now only your part is divide, this one is 8 equal parts, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8. Everyone know that how to write 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, and this one lastly 8 upon 8. So we have to focus on only this number. So you circle this one in rectangle if you want, or if you will do this one, that is okay, no problem. So this way the representation of rational number in number line, that will be done. Question number 5. The number line is drawn in the question. Let me draw that one also. Okay, so there are some points. 0 will be here. 1, 2, 3.
वो आमिर की मम्मी का फोन आया था पाठक के, तो वो बोल आज क्लास में स्ट्रेंथ बहुत ज्यादा 36 है।
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers which are written, and -1, -2, -3, -4. So the points which are means -1 to 2, that will be divided into 3 parts. That will be, there is U, there is S, there is R, T. Please keep this question, means look at this question very carefully. This is very important. If you understood this thing, that everything you will understood, I think. A, B, and there is, this is also divided into 3 parts. This is P and Q. Okay. So the points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, B on the number line are such that T, R, R, S means all the parts, these parts will be equal. It is saying in the question, and A, P, P, Q, these parts are also equal. As we have discussed in the previous question, whichever the parts will be divided, these parts, they will be always equal. Means if you will divide these parts in equal parts, the same concept you have, means it was already given in the question. Mean what is the difference between question 4 and 5? In 4, the numbers are given, we have to draw a number line. In the question number 5, number line is given, we have to find only the numbers which these points A, B, P, Q, U, R, S, T will be representing on this number line. What number it will be represented for the different symbolic alphabets. So A, for A, in talking about, it is simply denoted to 2, and B, which are very simple, I am writing directly. In U, that is -2, in T, that is -1. Okay, only P, O, Q, R, S, we need to focus on these things, because A, B, U, T is very clear. A is -2, B is 3, U is -2, T is -1, as it was given. Now you know that how to count this one. This is 1 upon 2. No, 3 parts divided now. So it is 1 upon 3, and this is 2 upon 3. So if we are talking about this one, because everything will be counted from the O points. This P points already travel 2 distance, suppose, and this more 1 upon 3 distance travel. That means 2 plus 1 upon 3. 2 distance from 0 to 2, this one means A point will travel 2, 3, -2, -1. These points will be clearly from the O points. Okay, O means not O, 0, you can 0. Okay, not O. O will be, we will take in geometry part, not here. So 0 basically. So A, represented 2, they represented 3. It is very easy. Only focus on P. P points, it was the distance of P points from this 0, that will be 2 plus 1 upon 3 will gives you 2 whole 1 upon 3, that will gives you 7 upon 3, right? Now if you are talking about Q part, 2 plus 2 upon 3, that will give you 2 whole 2 upon 3, means this thing will be written as this one, this thing will be written as this one, and 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 upon 3, okay? And R, now look at, this one is -1 already, and this one is -1 upon 3, -2 upon 3, right? So -1 plus of -1 upon 3. So it will be written as simply -1 minus 1 upon 3. That is simply -4 upon 3. If you simplify this one, you will get -4 upon 3, right? And this one -1 plus of -2 upon 3. So -1 minus 2 upon 3 will gives you -5 upon 3. So these are the rational number which are representing to P, Q, R, S, and 2, 3, -2, -1 representing A, B, U, T. So this way, question number 5th is important for the examination purpose, and 4th is also important. Actually, every question will be important that I have discussed up to here, up to now. Okay. So this is the solution of this question number 5. Let us move on to question number 6, right? So which of the following pairs represent the same numbers? So let us, means we have to find in which of the pairs will representing same numbers, same rational number. So let us try to solve. It is clearly visible. This one is positive, this one is negative, this one is positive. Say they are not representing the same number. -16 upon 20 and 20 upon -25, right? Okay. So means we have to simplify these things. If they are equal, then go ahead. So 4 5s are 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. That means -4 upon 5, and this one will be 5 4s are 25, 5s are 25, and it will also gives you -4 upon -5. Convert this one in standard form. So -4 upon 5 and -4 upon 5. How to convert the rational number in standard form? You have to just move this negative sign to the numerator. So both the numbers will be in standard form, right? Okay. So here the answer will be yes. -2 third part, -2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Oh, sorry, there will be also minus. So it's very easy. Both the negative sign will cancel out. So we will say yes, because 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, both are same numbers. Fourth thing, that is -3 upon 5 and -12 upon 20. This is already in standard form, means whichever the rational number not given in standard form, you will convert in standard form, then you will get the clear idea. So this one, this is already in standard form, no need to do anything. You will simplify 4 CR 12, 4 5 are 20, that will -3 upon 5. So yes, they will be equal, right? Fifth part, 8 upon -5 and -24 upon 15. So you will simplify this one, it gives you -8 upon 5 and means standard form. This minus and goes move to the numerator. 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15. So -8 upon 5. So answer is yes, they are equal. Okay. Similarly, So the 6th and 7th you will do with your own way. 6th and 7th part, that is DIY. Do it yourself. Question number, moving on to the question number 7. Rewrite the following rational number in simplest form. That means we have to convert in standard form. Simplest form, that is first part, that is minus 8 upon 6. It's very easy. 2 3 are 6, 2 4s are 8, that is minus 4 upon 3. Second part, 25 upon 45, it's very easy. 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45, right? 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. In third part, that is minus 44 upon 25, 72. So I will write properly 72. Now you will simplify this one. So you will get 22 upon 36. Again, you will simplify by 2. You will get 11 upon 18. Right? Okay. That means minus 22 upon, because of this minus sign, and minus sign will be there. So minus 11 upon 18 is the simplest form of the given rational number. Similarly, you will solve fourth part, minus 8 upon 10. It will gives you 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. That is minus 4 upon 5. Okay. So these are the numbers which are in simplest form of the given rational number. Okay. I hope everything is going clear. If any doubts are there, write in comment box. Okay. Question number 8, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Right. The first part, minus 8 upon, no, just a minute. Minus 5 upon 7, box 2 upon 3. Okay. Minus 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. So means it was talking about we have to fulfill, we have to fill these signs: lesser, greater, equal. This is called as lesser. This is known as greater. This is known as equal. Please keep this in mind. Okay. Now it is very clear. This is positive, so no, there is no doubt. Minus 4 upon 5, box minus 5 upon 7. So we have to, definitely they are not equal. So they are lesser or greater. Which one is greater, which one is lesser? Let us try to find. Okay. So if you will simplify this one in the rough sheet, you can say how to make the things will be equal. Firstly, try to make the numbers denominators will be same. So 7 multiply here and 5 multiply here. As I told, to make the denominator same, you have to multiply the denominator of this one in the first rational number. Means simply cross multiplication of the DRs. Cross multiplication of the DRs means first to second and second to first. फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर के का डिनोमिनेटर सेकेंड से मल्टीप्लाई होगा सेकेंड रेशनल नंबर से, और सेकेंड का डिनोमिनेटर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट विल मल्टीप्लाई विद द फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर, राइट? ओके, सो minus 28 upon 35 and minus 25 upon 35. It's clearly this one is bigger, 25 upon 35, as you know that the smallest negative number is bigger than. Okay, so that is, this is the symbolic sign. Okay, means minus 4 upon 5 less than minus 5 upon 7. Similarly, you read as minus 4 upon 5 less than minus 5 upon 7. Please keep this in mind. You cannot read this one minus 5 upon 7 is greater than minus 4 upon 5. As earlier we have discussed, this one is lesser, means अगर आपका साइन इस तरह का होगा तो उसको lesser बोलेंगे. That means this one is lesser than this one. Okay, and if the sign will be this way, That means this one is greater than to the this one. Let us third part. It will be more clear if this sign will come. Minus 7 upon 8 box 14 upon 16. So if you will simplify, this is already simple. So 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, that is minus 8. So it's very easy, that means both are equal. So I think third part very easy. Fourth part, I'm coming to fourth part, minus 8 upon 7, no 5 box minus 7 upon 4. Okay, so let us solve here. 8 upon 5 and minus 7 upon 4. So 4 will be here and 5 will multiply here, right? So 8 4s are 32 and 5 4s are 20 and 7 5s are 35 and 4 5s are 20. So definitely this one is sure bigger than, right? Because you know that a smaller number in negative, that will be bigger. That means minus 8 upon 5 is bigger to this one. So now you will read this one, minus 8 upon 5 is greater than minus 7 upon 4. Don't read as minus 7 upon 4 is less than minus 8 upon 5. ये हम read नहीं करेंगे, आपको reading skill आनी चाहिए, that is important. You cannot read this one, minus 7 upon 4 is less than. Definitely it was there, but you cannot read because of this sign. Reach, okay. Because reading skill is important here. Okay. Question number, fifth part of this thing. Fill in the blanks. Fifth part, 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 4. It's never equal, but we have to check which one is greater. So, okay, let us minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 4, 4 upon 4 into 3 upon 3. So minus 4 upon 12, minus 3 upon, here we have to multiply 3, yes, it's 12. So this one is bigger, minus 3 upon 12. That means this one is lesser than this one. So the sign will be this way, right? And sixth part, 5 upon minus 11 box minus 5.11, both are equal. There is no problem. Okay, because numbers will be same, but the sign will automatically goes up if you convert in standard form. And 0, this is very easy. minus 7 कॉन्सेप्ट, बट स्टूडेंट्स गेट्स कंफ्यूज. ये तो नंबर है, ये तो 0 है, तो ये बड़ा होना चाहिए, लेकिन 0 is always greater than all the negative numbers. Okay, 0 is always greater than all the negative numbers. Now question number 9, which is greater in each of the following? Means in question number 9 we have to find means the same thing we have to do. Means